The eco-worthy 400-watt solar kit boasts impressive energy generation capabilities, producing an average of 1.6 kilowatt-hours of electricity daily, which is ideal for off-grid systems. Constructed with high-quality monocrystalline cells, the panels are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, including strong winds and heavy snow loads, ensuring durability and longevity. The kit features maximum power point tracking technology, significantly enhancing efficiency and protecting the system from overcharging and overdischarging, making it a reliable choice for solar energy conversion. Installation is straightforward with pre-drilled panels and plug-and-play connectors, complemented by detailed instructions, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. The included Bluetooth module allows for easy monitoring of the system, transmitting real-time data to mobile devices up to 82 feet away, which is convenient for remote management. Overall, the eco-worthy 400-watt solar kit is a comprehensive package that combines power, efficiency, and ease of use, making it an excellent solution for home, RV, or boat solar power needs.